Wondering which language to learn this year? You have come to the right place. Hi, welcome to another video by Great Learning. We have compiled a list of top 10 programming languages in 2020. But before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now let's begin. Number 10, PHP. If you thought PHP was dying, think again. PHP is a server-side scripting language used to develop static or dynamic websites or web applications. More than 80% of all the world websites still use PHP. Major companies like Facebook, Salesforce uses PHP as a backend programming language. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a scripting language which runs on a server and creates web pages written in HTML. Its simplicity and cheapness makes it very popular among web developers. On number 9, we have Swift. If you're obsessed with Apple and want to become an iOS developer, then this programming language is just for you. Swift is deeply influenced by Python and Ruby. It is faster, more secure, and easy to read and debug than its predecessor, Objective-C. Apple's adoption of Swift over Objective-C as their primary programming language has led to a significant increase in its popularity. And since Apple is going to continue with it, so if you are looking for a development platform like iOS, then learning Swift should be of utmost priority in 2020. On number 8, we have Kotlin. For the Android-loving developers, Kotlin is a programming language to learn in 2020. It is a programming language from JetBrains and is the next big thing in the Android world. Kotlin compiles to JVM bytecode or JavaScript and uses all the existing Java framework and libraries. On number 7, we have Golang. The Golang is a relatively new programming language created by Google. The three big proficiency it has are ease of coding, efficient code compilation, and efficient execution, making it more and more popular every day. Just like C and C++, Go comes as a compiled language, making it high-performing like them. Also, the allocation of variables, garbage collection, and object removal are very similar to Java, making Go the ultimate language to work with on any hardware system. On number 6, we have R. Data science enthusiasts, R is your jam. It has been gaining an extensive audience in recent years, and the reason is obvious: the tremendous growth in the data industry. R has shown an increase in its usage by a lot of data scientists, but then it hasn't become as popular as Python yet. R provides a broad range of statistical and graphical techniques and is remarkably extensible, and its open source nature has got more and more data scientists turning to it. At number 5, we have C#. C# is created by Microsoft and is used for developing desktop applications like Windows 8, 10 applications. It requires the .NET framework to function. Detecting errors in C# is a no-sweat task as it is statistically typed language, meaning the code is validated before converting it to the application. At number 4, we have C++. The most evergreen language ever. There is absolutely no programmer who doesn't know about this language. Did you know the OS of Linux was based on C? C++ is a programming language having object-oriented features. It is also referred to as a middle-level language. C is a parent language to a lot of other languages. Some are either acquired from C or inspired by its syntax, constructs, and paradigms. For example, Java and C#. Even now, whenever there is a need to build high-performance application, C remains to be the most prevalent choice. C++ is the object-oriented programming language built on C and thus preferred over other for designing high-level applications. At number 3, we have Java. Write once and run anywhere. The platform-independent Java has been dominating the world of programming language for the past 20 years. Java is 99% object-oriented and is quite high-powered since its objects hold no reference to data external to themselves. It is simpler than C++ because Java uses automatic memory allocation and garbage collection. It is called cross-platform because you can code on any device and compile it to low-level machine code and execute on any platform using Java Virtual Machine. On number 2, we have JavaScript. Stack Overflow's co-founder once said, if an application can be written in JavaScript, should be written in JavaScript. 10 years earlier, JavaScript could be used for only client-side scripting, but after Node.js was introduced, it became a full-stack development language. Node.js was used as a platform for backend development and JavaScript as a language. No matter what backend you're using, there is always a requirement for a front-end developer. Hence, JavaScript is a must-learn programming language to the developer. At number 1, we have Python. The number 1 programming language of 2020 is Python, and for many valid reasons. Since the boom in AI and data-driven industry, Python is a language that has all kinds of different mathematical and algorithmic packages available. Python has a ginormous community support, and developers are mostly used for IoT and cloud applications. This language is compatible with IoT for several reasons, such as vast developer community, a large number of libraries, tools, and much more. So this was our top 10 programming video. Comment down below and do let us know how you liked the video. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great learning.